Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two security cameras that are going head-to-head in the ultimate showdown. On the left, we have the blurams security camera, and on the right, we have the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The blurams security camera comes in at a budget-friendly $49, while the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K is priced slightly higher at $69. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the blurams camera might be the way to go. Now let's talk about video quality. The blurams camera offers 360 degrees coverage with 2K resolution, ensuring crisp videos and photos even in low light conditions. On the other hand, the LaView camera boasts a 4 megapixels HD resolution with advanced starlight night vision, capturing ultra-clear images day and night. It's like having your own personal Hollywood cinematographer. Moving on to smart features, both cameras have their own tricks up their sleeves. The blurams camera comes with smart AI detection and instant alerts, so you'll never miss a beat when it comes to your home security. Plus, it works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it a breeze to integrate into your smart home setup. On the other hand, the LaView camera offers motion detection with tracking alerts and a customizable sensitivity, ensuring you only get notified when something important is happening. And let's not forget the two-way audio and 110 decibels alarm siren, perfect for scaring off any unwanted intruders. It's like having your very own security guard and a light bulb. When it comes to storage options, the blurams camera offers optional cloud and local storage. You can keep a non-stop recording in the cloud with their 24/7 CVR feature, or use a micro SD card for local storage. The choice is yours. On the other hand, the LaView camera supports remote viewing and control from your smartphone via the LaView app. You can access your footage anytime, anywhere. It's like having your own personal spy headquarters. And finally, let's talk about some additional features. The blurams camera allows you to share your camera with unlimited family members, making it a great option for those with big households. Meanwhile, the LaView camera boasts an IP67 weatherproof rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Rain or shine, this camera has got you covered. Based on online reviews, the blurams security camera is praised for its clear and crisp quality, easy setup, and user-friendly app. It is recommended as a good camera at a great price. On the other hand, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K receives high satisfaction ratings for its performance, features, and value for money. Users are impressed with its video quality, motion detection, and audible alarm features. They also appreciate the ease of installation and compatibility with other smart devices. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the blurams security camera and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K in various categories. Both cameras have their own unique strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or top-notch video quality, there's a camera out there for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons like this. And as always, remember to buy smart. See you next time.